Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Resultant. So guys, as you know, gate forms are out. Many students now are going to fill the form of gate and they are having two types of queries. First, sir, shall we go for the two papers or one paper only? Second type of doubt which is coming in the mind of student is if we are going for two paper, then what should be the ideal combination? So, my dear, obviously, some of you would also have made your mind like by watching some of the videos or by just having discussion with your friends and all, or by discussion with your seniors. But this video will be an eye opening and where I will be telling you with the fact that what can be the better option for you because it will be depending on what you are looking for as well. So, guys, let us start the session with this. So, first of all, I would be giving you a brief introduction. As you are aware, my name is Dheeraj Sardana. I am having more than 13 plus years of experience. These are my areas of expertise. And this is my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, where you will be getting all the informative session. You will be getting the like handwritten notes, PDFs are available, PYQs are available. You can take doubts also. So all these benefits you will be having on this Telegram channel. And guys, now we are coming on to the main thing that our discussion is related to. This video is particularly for mechanical students. So guys, you can see the first I am going to talk about that gate two paper combination. And first question is who should go for two paper in gate? So my dear, first let us talk about ki whether you shall go for two papers or not. So I would like to tell you, my dear, there are many students who just want to get PSU. They have already completed their master's degree. They are not interested to go for PhD. They are not like interested for they can say for MTech because as they have already done MTech. So if a person is looking only for PSU, then my dear, two paper combination is not going to be useful for you because if you talk about like XC, that will not be giving you any PSU. No PSU is going to accept the gate XC paper score. Or you can say whenever we are talking about the PSUs are looking for paper code and your BTech branch to be same. Like if you are from mechanical, then your gate paper code by which they will be taking you should also be mechanical. So if you are like from civil, then your gate paper code should also be civil. So my dear, when we are talking about PSU, if your target is only PSU, you are not looking for any other thing, then my dear, no need to go for two papers. Then you are going to have the ideal one thing only, you need to appear for the paper which is aligned with your branch. Like if you're from civil, go for civil paper. If you're from mechanical, go for mechanical paper. Likewise. Okay. Then my dear, who should appear for the second paper? My dear, second paper will be helping you in getting the admissions into MTech, in IITs, NITs, into PhD admissions and some of the management programs. Like IITs also provide you like MBA degrees, PhDs in management studies. So for that, the second paper score will be eligible. So my dear, that's why I'm saying. And secondary, if a student in third year is going to appear for the gate for the first time, then my dear, he can also take the chances. Because if you are looking for MTech, PhD, then my dear, second paper is eligible for that. Then you should go for both mechanical and the second paper. Because if your first paper mechanical is not going to be good, then second paper will be like a second chance in the same year. Otherwise, at our time, like let us say if a student is performing bad in this gate paper, then for second year he has to wait. Like next time he can appear in the gate next year. But in two paper combination, you are going to get two chances in the same year. So that is a kind of help if you are looking for MTech admission, PhD admissions, or admission in foreign universities, or admissions into MBA programs or management studies programs. So if your target is that, then definitely you should go for second paper, and that will be a second chance for you. Okay. Then my dear, I would be talking about like for mechanical student, what are the options available for MTech? Okay. So my dear, when we are talking about for mechanical student, if you are going for obviously if you are mechanical, I am assuming that you are going to go for the first paper as ME only, because any student if he is looking for MTech PhD, he will also be having somewhere dream if I get PSU, that will be the best thing. So for PSU, my dear, your BTech branch, if it is mechanical, your first paper should be mechanical, because that score will be required for PSU. Yes, this score is also eligible for MTech, also eligible for management studies program, also eligible for PhD. So first paper have all those power which second paper is having, but second paper is not having all those power which first paper is having. So if you want to go for PSU plus anything, then first paper is going to help you. If you want anything other than PSU, like for MTech, okay, for MS, for PhD, okay, for anything like this, then my dear, second paper can help you, but second paper cannot help you for PSU. Mind it, okay? So till date it have been seen, if in the upcoming years, if some PSU is going to make it valid for some particular branch, that we cannot say, but till date this is the scenario, okay? So my dear, now the point comes, ki when we are talking about these are the options available. One is aerospace engineering, second is data science and artificial intelligence, third is production industrial, fourth is XC engineering sciences, fifth is instrumentation, sixth is naval architecture and marine engineering. These are the options given by the like GATE organization committee to mechanical student, and you can choose any of these as the second paper, okay? So my dear, when we are talking about the benefit, I already told you, you are going to get two chances in the same year. So two chances when you are getting in 1 year, if you are not going to perform well in the first paper, then you are having the second chance, and that also in the same year. So that is going to be the most important advantage of appearing into GATE for two papers. Okay, that is going to be the benefit. Now, my dear, when we are talking about the IITs, these are the list of IITs. Now you must have listened, like previously only 7 IITs were there and IISc was there, but now a huge number of IITs are there, and majority of these IIT and all NITs, if you consider, they all consider the second papers score for MTech admissions. So if you see all these IITs, if you see all the NITs, there are a large number of options available with second paper also. No doubt first paper will be having the maximum option, but if you are going for second option, if your first paper is not good, then second paper is also having majority of the IITs, majority of the NITs admissions are possible. Like I will be showing some examples. For those examples, you will be getting better. Like these are the examples. If you talk about ISC Aerospace Engineering, then my dear, if you want to get admission into that, then XC and AE, these two papers are eligible. Okay, I am taking only second paper. First paper, I am assuming that obviously that is having all the powers. So I am talking about second paper. ISC management study, if you want to go, every paper code is eligible. For ISC Bangalore, when we are talking about, okay, bioengineering, it is going to be for XC and AE. ISC quantum technology, all GATE papers are eligible. ISC short manufacturing, all are eligible. Radio astronomy, XC is eligible. IIT Delhi Ocean Engineering, XC is eligible. Engineering Analysis and Design, all are eligible. Thermal Engineering IIT Madras, XC, AE and IN are eligible. Environment Engineering IIT Madras, XC is eligible. Then my dear, you are also going to have one more slide, ISC Bangalore Material Science, Climate. Okay, Thermal Engineering, Energy and Material Science. Energy and Material Science in IIT Chennai and IIT Patna Mechatronics, all these are the options available with the GATE XC paper. So these are some example which shows that from second paper we are having a lot of options. Okay, but obviously the maximum number of options are available with first paper. With second paper we don't have that much. Like if with first option we have 100 option, then with second paper we would not be having the 100 options available, but it would be having 50-60 options still there. Okay, so second paper is like a second chance, and definitely we can get into IITs and IISc from the second paper. Now you would be thinking, okay sir, we understood that first paper is going to be the most important thing. Second paper is like second chance. If you are not getting PSU, at least you can get into IITs. That's great. But the point is, from which of the second paper we would be getting the maximum chance. So this is the analysis done by me. So my dear, if you see the number of options available in IITs for MTech, then you will find the majority number of options are available with XC. XC is having the maximum option. Then second is production industrial. Third is IN. Fourth is aerospace. Fifth is NM, naval research, naval architecture and marine engineering. And last one is data structure, data science and artificial intelligence. Now, some of you would be thinking, sir, can we make a conclusion here that we shall go for XC? The answer is no. Yes, if we are talking about the majority number of options, XC is going to be the first choice. But maybe if your target is to do the MTech in production, like one of my student Teju, one of my student Sagnik, they were already having a target that they want to go for like production MTech. So if you are already having the mind that I want to do MTech from IIT in production and industrial engineering, then my dear, obviously the best option is going to be P&IE. If you are looking for, you want to go for masters in aerospace engineering, then my dear, along with the XC, AE would be the better choice. Like one of my student, he was Shivam. He got very good rank in GATE, but he wanted to work in data science field because during his BTech he was having interest in programming and all. So I was like literally surprised when he said, sir, I don't want to go into PSU. I want to go for MTech in data science. At that time I was surprised why he want to go for that. He said, sir, I was having that interest from starting itself. He went for that. He went to NIT Surathkal, and he got admission into data science. You may be saying, sir, data science started just last year, and you are saying about that student, he have taken the admissions in MTech from NIT Surathkal because dear, in data science branch, as I said, mechanical was eligible. So if even you are looking for you want to go for masters in data science, only for that purpose, if you are going to choose DA, that is not a good option. Even mechanical will be eligible, XC will be eligible for some of the colleges for data science MTech if you want to appear for. So that student went for data science MTech with the GATE score of mechanical paper. I already told you first paper is having the majority power. First paper is eligible for majority of the cases. So my dear, when he went there, as his interest was there, he did wonderful work. Out of 18 students, only 3 students placed. Out of those 3, he was the first one. He got a package more than 40 lakhs. Right now, he is earning more than 50 lakhs. But don't go by the fact, okay, I will also go for that. It is not like that. You should have interest in that field. He is doing good work in that field. That's why he is earning that much. Otherwise, all other 18 students did not get that placement. So as I said, dear, go by your interest. Okay. Likewise, if you are having the interest in the electronics and communication side, then my dear, you can go for instrumentation because IN will be having eligibility in those type of branches more. But my dear, if you ask me generally, then I will always prefer XC and PI as the core fields. The reason, my dear, is when you are going to be BTech from mechanical, then my dear, the companies which are going to take you in MTech also, they would be asking for, they will be preferring those students who have same stream in BTech and MTech, except the field of data science, because data science is something where everyone is eligible. Okay. Otherwise, if you talk about like if your BTech is in mechanical, then obviously XC and PI are going to be the better choices if you see placement point of view, if you see number of options point of view also. Okay. Now, my dear, this is based on the number of options available. So based on number of options available, XC ranked first, P&I second. Okay. And after that, others are coming like I have mentioned here. And my dear, when we are talking about the best option as per the syllabus, because ultimately without qualifying the exam, we cannot get into the IITs or NITs, whatever. So my dear, for qualifying the paper, we need to go for the syllabus. If you see syllabus point of view, once again, XC ranked first. Why XC is ranking first for the common syllabus, for the syllabus part? Because if you are preparing for ME, then my dear, if ME syllabus is this, XC is the subset of this. Yes, some 2 to 3 topics will be there in XC which you have to study separately. But otherwise 95% to 98% of the syllabus of XC is going to be the subset of mechanical. Means if you are preparing for mechanical, automatically XC preparation is done. Because in XC, along with math and apti, you just need to go for two subjects. And for getting those two subjects, you have these much options. So my dear, if you get these much option, this fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, thermodynamics, these three are the topics out of which if you choose any two subjects, then my dear, I would like to say there is no need to study much extra. In fluid mechanics, some 5 to 10% syllabus is extra, but for solid mechanics and thermodynamics, for these two papers, if you choose, there is nothing extra. Whatever you study in mechanical, the same syllabus is followed by this. Okay, slightly one two topic like sequence and series is there in mathematics. Otherwise, if you are going for this combination, solid mechanics and thermodynamics, this is the best combination for XC, for mechanical student. For civil student, they can go for fluid mechanics and solid mechanics. It is like that. Okay. Otherwise, if you have interest in fluid mechanics and thermal, you can take that also. But according to me, the best option is, the best case is thermo plus solid mechanics, because as I said, entire syllabus is the subset of mechanical syllabus. That is why I kept it at ranked first. Then PI, I kept it at second rank. The reason is, in this, production is having huge weightage. Production and industrial weightage is high in this paper. And there are some 20-30% syllabus of production and industrial extra, which you need to study other than the mechanical part. So that is why I ranked it second. Okay. And third, I ranked aerospace engineering, because here also you need to study some extra syllabus like aerodynamics and all. So that is why I kept it third. Then similarly, the naval, similarly, data science and artificial intelligence, here there is nothing common. Everything is different, which you have not studied. Okay. Only some part of mathematics you will find which you have studied, because data science is majorly related to, like, some topics will be related to computer science, some will be related to electronics also. Okay. So instrumentation, once again, here also the syllabus will be not much related to mechanical. So that is why, my dear, syllabus wise, the best option is XC. And number of options available for MTech in IITs, the best option is XC. But if you want to go for MTech for a specific branch like production industrial, then my dear, best option is P&I. If you want to go for MTech from aerospace, then best option is AE and XC. Why? Because like IIT Kanpur do not accept XC score for aerospace. Okay. But there are some colleges like IIT Chennai, I have shown you. So there are some colleges who are accepting, some who are not accepting. And mechanical score is accepted in maximum of the like branches for you guys, like energy also you can go. So mechanical is ultimate. If first paper is going nice, then there is no point in discussing the second paper. Second paper becomes important if your first paper did not go well. That is the point. Okay. So guys, these are the two important factors we have discussed. Okay, these are the options available, and for XC also I have told you this. So my dear, I am concluding my session. The first thing is, who should appear for the second paper? If a student is having the target only PSU, I don't want anything. I have already done my masters. Now I am giving gate only for one reason, that is PSU. Then second paper is not going to be important for you. Second thing, if you are going to appear in the GATE exam for MTech, PhD, foreign universities, then second paper will be like a second chance for you. Now, my dear, if you are a third year student, then definitely you shall appear for both the papers, because if any one paper is going to go well in third year only, you will be getting the chance ki yes, my IIT MTech seat is confirmed, because GATE score is valid for 3 years. So these are the peoples who should appear for the second paper. Okay, so these 3 points will clear who should appear for the second paper. Then what is the best option as per the number of options available for MTech? XC is the best option. Second is P&I is the best option. Then my dear, if you are branch specific, I want to go MTech from thermal science, then thermal science you will get admission via XC. If you want to go for production, XC. Okay, if you want to go for management studies, every paper is acceptable. If you want to go for aerospace, then obviously XC and aerospace both are going to be important. both are okay, but obviously aerospace will have more chances. So likewise, for the syllabus point of view, the first rank is XC. Here you need not to study much extra, and soon we will be coming up with the GATE XC batches as well. As for XC, you need to go for any two subjects, and that selection you have to make at the time of giving the exam. Right now, while filling the form, you need not to make any selection of two papers. Okay, sorry, any selection of two subjects. Right now, you just need to choose two papers. In XC, which subject you are going to appear, you need not to choose. But dear, if your interest is in data science, then from mechanical paper, you will be eligible. Okay, and if you are interested to go for data science, then my dear, obviously you can go for that also. But as I said, here complete syllabus is going to be different. Going for the paper like data science and artificial intelligence as a second paper, it is like preparing for two GATE syllabus parallelly. So guys, make your decision according to your choices. Okay, if even you want to go for masters in data science, there are some colleges, some NITs also where like mechanical will also be eligible for such courses. So if you are not even able to cover one syllabus properly, how you will cover two syllabus? So that is why choose your second paper wisely, so that no wrong selection should happen. Okay, rest obviously everything will be depending on your choices. So I have taken two parameters. One is based on the number of choices available, second is based on the syllabus. So I feel both the ways you can understand properly. Now my dear, I would be telling you like today is Teachers Day, so some offers are also going on. Like these are the offers for Teachers Day, and on this Saturday Sunday you can also appear for like scholarship test to get the benefit of scholarship. So this is for RRBJ courses, and this is for GATE and ESC courses. Okay, and soon we will be coming up for the announcement of the courses of rank up and all. So be ready for that. So these are the details. If you want to connect with us, and if still you have any doubt, this is my number. You can WhatsApp me. Okay, one Google form is also available in the description. You can fill it to get you can also connect with us in that way. And also guys, if you will be filling the Google form, I will be connecting you via mobile or like WhatsApp also. And guys, do one thing, download the Resulted Mechanical app, because there you will be getting some free test in the upcoming days. So be ready for that. For your preparation, we will be coming up with some series on YouTube as well. Okay, this is the mechanical team. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. For mechanical student, we have specific app, that is Resulted Mechanical. Okay, so this was from my side for this particular session. So goodbye guys, stay tuned with us. We will be coming up again for some wonderful informative videos which will help you a lot. Goodbye.